uh, you can get high grades for tomorrow. Is it math and English only?
Yes.
Wow, very good. Okay, that's good to hear. At least you have. Okay, so teacher Ann, we're
Okay.
gonna have this one. What's the weather in Vietnam now? Is it very cold?
Yeah, it's very cold
Oh,
and there is some rain.
it's raining.
Yes.
Wait me, how where is it? It's summer already or winter? It's winter time.
The weather not good, not sunny. It's very cold and rain. There's some rain.
It's very cold. I forgot where is my raining also here. Tono, the whole day is like it rains a lot.
Oh, okay.
Wait cannot see the audio here.
Okay.
Okay, I will share it to you now.
Okay.
Yes, a minute. Okay, so we
Okay.
are going to talk on Unit 5A, okay, technology. We have here computing. Then talk about computers and communication technology. So we are talking here about technology. You can see there's a web here. And then of course it connects an internet and it connects to different gadgets. Tablet or iPad, laptop or cell phone or mobile phone. So this is very important. Okay, so if I will ask you, Tono, why do you think technology is very important for
I
you?
think to have the life, my life, and it's convenient to uh have
Okay, of course,
work.
because
It's convenient and have my life.
okay, it is convenient first. Okay, everything we did today, nowadays, we are talking about technology. Okay, so we have
Okay.
here technology. They said it's technology savvy. Okay, so it
Technology.
means so you're very
Savvy.
good. Okay, okay. Having practical knowledge and understanding of something, having that common sense. It means when you're tech savvy, so it means you're very good. You know already how to use your or the technology. Okay, or your gadgets.
Forward.
Forward, it means to send or pass goods or information to somebody.
Install.
Okay, to put a new program onto computer.
Rate.
Rate, it means to have or think that somebody or something has a particular level of quality or value. Okay, so that is the rate. What is the rate for that one? Set up, it means create something or start it. Subscribe, arrange or to have regular access to an electronic information service or another internet service. Update means you have to give somebody the most recent information. Like you have to update me with this one. Okay, so it means you have to add information about something or in a particular things. Upload to send data to another computer. That is what we call as upload. Okay. Now, how many of these things, Tono, do you use computer or tablet for? And what else do you use them for? Okay, so please try to tell me. You can write your answers. So these are the digital activities. Okay, how many of these things do you use computer or tablet when you try to do that or when you try to explore? And what else do you use them
Okay.
for? Okay, if you're ready, you can tell me. Huh?
Continuous teacher.
Okay, so what do you think? How many of these things do you use computer or tablet? You give me example.
I think I do homework, but I think the homework is hard, difficult. I go to internet to find like the example. And
Okay,
about music, I love to listening. I love listening to music and
okay,
use the co-working site. I can uh, see
yes.
and add information in the networking.
Yes, yes, of course. So how about if you follow people on a Twitter? What do you think?
Computer, I think Jewel and Dow music. I
Okay.
usually listen music when
Yeah,
I
download
use.
music. Do you love
Yes,
download
I love
music?
music.
Do you download music?
I love music. I don't.
You love music. Wow, that's great. Okay.
Yes.
How about use social networking sites? You use social networking sites. What do you think of that?
I think I can see and update information in working networking sites, and I think I can chat with my friend in Messenger, Zello, and some else.
Okay. So Messenger, do you have Messenger?
Yes, I have.
That you really use that one?
Yes.
Okay, okay, that's great. Okay. So how about playing games in the computer?
I don't play game on computer. I play game on mobile phone because play game on the computer is hard to me, and I don't. I really play game.
Okay, I understand. Okay. How about when you try to shop? Okay, of course you shop. Okay, so do you think you use computer or tablet when you shop?
Often because when I have
You
to
think so?
buy something, yes,
I thought no,
but
I cannot hear you.
do you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can hear now. It's not
Okay.
quite. Okay.
I
Yes, yes,
think
yes.
I think when I want to buy something, I should ask my parents.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So of course you can use shopping or you can use computer or tablet when you shop. Example, you were gonna shop in online, right? So of course you're gonna use that one. Okay. Ask an answer about the activity in exercise one. Used how often? Okay, this one. Okay. Give extra information in your answer. So how often do you do your homework in the internet? I mean in the computer.
I think I usually do homework on computer. Usually,
Usually. Okay. Wait
yes.
me, Konohan, just a minute. You wait, teacher. Wait me. Okay, ito no. I'm in. Okay, so here.
Okay, teacher.
So, how often do you do your homework in the computer?
I think I often do homework on computer.
You often do homework on computer. How often do you download music?
Download music. Uh,
Yeah,
I I don't download music, but I listening on Spotify.
ask Spotify. So you have your Spotify with you? Wow, that's
Yes.
great. Wow. Okay. So, how often do you follow people on Twitter?
I don't have Twitter.
You didn't have Twitter. Okay. Okay. So, how about how often do you play games?
Uh, I of I sometimes play games because I don't don't like play games and,
Mhm.
and spend a lot of time to listen music and read books.
Okay, so that's great. Wow. Okay. How about reading blog or writing blog?
Yes. I really write a blog because because when I see something new, I write a blog. But sometimes I lazy. I don't like to write a blog.
Okay. So, how about shopping? How often do you shop?
Shop. Uh,
Yeah.
I really shopping because when I want to buy something, I should ask my parents.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay. How about using social media?
I think uh I think ain't often because I don't I don't use networking site. I listen music a lot and I go to TikTok and I find some music.
Okay. So, very good. Okay, so this one. Okay. So please try to use these words. The one in the task three. Wait, wait, wait. Okay, and please answer. Okay.
Okay.
687. 774 841. Ano? Ano? Ring mo ako. Ring mo ako. Right? Nag-decide. Hindi ka ba tuloy? Oh, ano naman? Okay na ni? Ay, ganun din. Sa'yo na sa Spotify, Jess. I mean, you just tell me if you're done. Kaya kanya mga tawag ito, ang mga budal. Kaya mga tinatawag na kayo, nila at tinatapaminahan. You're done? You tell me how if you're done. Okay, done? Okay, done?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so what is the answer for number two? Upload. How about number three? Use Google to blank.
In the chat bar, teacher.
Okay, it's in the chat. Sorry, huh? Yeah, yeah. I'll upload. Three. Search. Update. Oh, you changed three and four. Okay, five. Comment. Very good. Post a comment on six. Okay, what is number six? Okay. Rate. Set up. Eight. Log on. Subscribe. Forward. Print and install. Okay, very good. Okay, at least you know. It's not bad. You've got many correct answer. Okay, so this one. Okay, so your answer. Answer the test. Okay, by the way, Tuno, please join again, ha, the Zoom in. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Join again. I will send the link again.